Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Flipkart and signing in with the account tied to your installation. Once there, go straight to Orders or My Services to locate the installation booking. You need the order ID to act fast. Make sure you have the technician's name or contact visible, because you'll reference it when canceling. Immediately choose the service entry so you can see cancellation options and the scheduled demo details. This prevents delays and miscommunication with the provider. Once you've opened the booking, tap the specific installation or demo entry to display controls. You'll see Cancel or Reschedule. Choose Cancel, then pick the most accurate reason. This helps Flipkart process refunds or penalties correctly. Make sure to read the cancellation policy prompt and confirm the action. You'll receive a confirmation number. After confirmation, take a screenshot and check your email or app notifications so you can track refund timing and next steps if rescheduling is needed. After canceling, verify the status in Orders and watch for an email or app notice confirming cancellation and any refund timeline. If the status doesn't update within the stated window, contact Flipkart customer care immediately and provide your order ID and screenshot. If a technician is already on the way, call them to prevent a no-show fee and explain the cancellation. This often resolves confusion. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app won't cancel, escalate via chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.